Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, we are to show you how to fix agent activate runtime 15831 high CPU and memory customization. So guys, if you want to fix agent activation runtime 15831 high CPU and memory customization, so very easy. First click on start and type here CMD. After click on command prompt and type here net stop space audio SRV. After click on enter, type here net space stop stop space audio SRV. Click on enter. That's so guys, this is very simple and easy method. If you want to fix agent activation runtime 15831 high CPU and memory customization. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.